My name is Jennifer Burwell. I'm the Comprehensive Stroke Program Manager at Christus Mother Frances in Tyler, Texas. I was actually involved with the undertaking of bringing TeleSpecialists into the ministry. And so I've had quite a bit of experience with working with TeleSpecialists at primary stroke centers, acute stroke ready, and now at our comprehensive center as well. A stroke program manager that's done this for 15 years, most of us hold our programs very tightly, like it is our baby. What I loved about TeleSpecialists is they want to be a resource to help, not to come in and take the program from you. It is customizable to whatever your needs are within your stroke program. So when we implemented, whether it was here or whether it was at the primary stroke center, it was, okay, Jennifer, what do your programs look like? What are your protocols? Send me your protocols so that we can adopt what you're already doing. Because the patient that comes in at Saturday morning at 2 a.m. should receive the same exact protocol and process and treatment as somebody who comes in at 1 o'clock on a Wednesday when I'm here. They provide you monthly data reports. You can look at what are your average times, what are your median times. And so you don't have to do all of that on your own. Like there's somebody that this is what they do and they literally hand you the data and the information for you to run with. TeleSpecialists not only allows quicker door to needle time, but I believe, in my opinion, we're also getting better treatment percentages as a whole. And so that's why it's been so important to partner with a teleneurology company that has such strong passion for stroke and neurology, just as I do.